Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook stir-fry lucifan with chili garlic oil. I have one packet of lucifan with 450 grams, 250 grams of minced pork, half a cup of water, half a cup of cubed carrot, 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 chicken eggs, 2 tablespoons of chili garlic oil. This is homemade chili garlic oil. I have uploaded the video of how to make chili garlic oil before. I will also share the links down below this video as well. 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 3 tablespoons of onion oil, 3 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, 2 red chili cut into 1.5 inch length, 3 cups of bean sprout, 2 stalks of spring onion cut into 1 inch length. All the ingredients are ready. I like to start off with preparing the lucifan. For the lucifan, right, I like to use this Bunga brand. This is really very nice. Before cooking it, we need to open up and separate them. Make sure that the lucifan is not clumped together. Alright, everything is ready. Now we can go and cook it. In the preheated pan, I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of onion oil. Put in the egg. About half teaspoon of light soy sauce. We're going to cook the egg first. Stir the egg until it hardens and it forms up. Egg is ready. I'm removing it from the pan. And put it aside. In the same pan, I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of onion oil. Put in all the minced pork. Put all the light soy sauce. Give it a stir. We need to give it a stir until the minced pork is separated. And put in all the carrot. Put in just a teaspoon of chili garlic oil. Cover the lid and let it cook for about 2 minutes until the minced pork and the carrot is cooked. After 2 minutes, the minced pork and carrot should be cooked. If there is still big pieces or it lumps together, we need to just break it. I'm going to switch off the heat and remove it from the pan as well. Remove it from the pan and put it aside. Switch on the heat. I'm putting in the balance of the onion oil. Put in the lucifan. Put in all the dark soy sauce. Oyster sauce, sesame seed oil, half of the chili garlic oil. Give it a stir. Pour in all the water. Cover the lid and let it cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, lucifan is already cooked and it has absorbed most of all the water. See, it becomes dry again. So now we are putting in all the chili, all the bean sprout, spring onions, keep some for garnishing. Some crispy fried shallots. Put in all the chili garlic oil and give it a mix. Bean sprout and spring onion doesn't take too long to cook, so I'm going to add on the minced pork. And all the eggs. Give it a stir. Alright, that is done for the stir-fry lo xi fan with chili garlic oil. Now I'm going to lower the heat and give it a taste. It's so delicious, very tasty and very spicy. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this lo xi fan in this frying pan, it's really delicious. So I'm going to switch off the heat. So I still have some spring onions, so I cut it into small pieces, sprinkle on it, and crispy fried shallots. A delicious dinner for your family is ready in 10 minutes. This looks so delicious. Can't wait to eat. Gonna take some here. Oh, look at that. It's very simple and easy. Just within 10 minutes, you will have a delicious dinner for your family. Let's eat. Tasty, very smooth with bites of chewy pork and crunchy pieces of vegetable. Strong kick of spiciness from the chili oil. After some time, the flavor becomes savory, tasty, flavorful with the hints of sweetness from crispy fried onions and the eggs. Overall, it's very fragrant, delicious, lovely. It is very simple to cook and it's enjoyable for the whole family. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.